You have watched hundreds of English videos, learned grammar rules, and memorized vocabulary for months. You understand English while listening, but when it is time to speak, your mind suddenly freezes. You know the words, yet your brain cannot respond quickly. This happens because most learners follow the wrong system. They spend all their time consuming English but never train their brain to use it naturally in real life. Fluency is not built by studying more. It is built by daily active practice. Your brain needs the correct balance of input, speaking, repetition, recall, and shadowing to make English feel automatic. In this video, I will show you the fastest daily fluency system that can improve your speaking speed, confidence, sentence formation, and thinking ability in English. If you follow this routine consistently, you will stop translating from your native language, stop hesitating during conversations, and finally start speaking English smoothly and naturally every single day. Build the right input and output balance. The biggest mistake most learners make is spending all their time consuming English without actually using it. They watch videos, listen to podcasts, read books, and learn grammar every day, but they rarely speak. Because of this, their brain becomes good at understanding English but weak at producing it naturally during conversations. Fluency grows when input and output stay balanced. Input means everything you receive in English, like listening and reading. Output means everything you produce, like speaking, thinking, and forming sentences. If you only take input, your brain stores information passively. But when you start speaking, your brain struggles because it has never been trained to respond actively. Think about learning to drive. Watching driving videos may help you understand the rules, but real confidence only comes when you sit in the driver's seat and practice daily. English works exactly the same way. You cannot become fluent only by consuming content. You must train your brain to use English regularly. A powerful daily routine is simple. Spend half your time on input and half on output. If you study for 1 hour, spend 30 minutes listening or reading and 30 minutes speaking or recalling ideas in English. This balance helps your brain absorb information and also use it quickly. Another important thing is choosing understandable content. Do not watch extremely difficult videos just because they sound advanced. If you understand around 70% of the content, your brain learns naturally without feeling overwhelmed. Also, avoid depending completely on subtitles in your native language because that strengthens the habit of translation. The goal is not perfect grammar while speaking. The real goal is building comfort, speed, and automatic sentence formation. When your brain receives English daily and also produces English daily, fluency starts becoming natural step by step. Follow a daily speaking cycle. One of the fastest ways to improve fluency is creating a daily speaking cycle. Most learners speak randomly whenever they feel motivated, but fluency does not grow through random practice. Your brain improves when speaking becomes a daily habit connected to repetition and consistency. The first step of the speaking cycle is listening carefully to natural English. Choose short videos, interviews, or podcasts that are easy enough for you to understand. Focus on how sentences are formed, how words connect, and how native speakers express simple ideas naturally. This gives your brain a model to follow. The second step is immediate speaking practice. After listening to a short section, pause and try to explain the same idea in your own words. Do not worry about mistakes. Even if your sentences are simple, Your brain is learning how to create English actively instead of only receiving it passively. The third step is personal speaking. Talk about your own life, opinions, daily routine, goals, or experiences. This step is extremely important because fluency develops faster when English becomes connected to your real thoughts and emotions. The more personal your speaking practice becomes, the more natural your English starts sounding. Another powerful habit is speaking without preparation. Ask yourself random questions like, "What did I learn today?" Or, "What would I do if I traveled abroad?" Then answer immediately in English. This trains your brain to respond faster without depending on translation from your native language. At first, you may pause often or forget words. That is completely normal. Do not stop speaking every time you make a mistake. Fluency is not created through perfect sentences. It is created through continuous usage and repetition. Even 15 to 20 minutes of focused speaking every day can create massive improvement over time. When you follow this cycle consistently, your confidence grows, your response speed improves, and speaking English starts feeling far more natural and comfortable. Use shadowing and recall practice daily. If you want to sound more natural and speak English faster, two techniques can completely change your fluency journey. These techniques are shadowing and recall practice. Most learners ignore them, even though they train the brain in a very powerful way. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating their words almost at the same time. You do not just repeat the sentence. You copy the pronunciation, rhythm, tone, and speaking flow. This helps your brain become familiar with natural English patterns instead of translating from your native language while speaking. Start with short audio clips that are clear and easy to understand. Listen to one sentence carefully, then repeat it aloud with the same energy and expression. At first, it may feel difficult because your brain is trying to keep up with the speed. But this challenge is exactly what improves fluency and speaking confidence. Another major benefit of shadowing is pronunciation improvement. Many learners know vocabulary but still sound unnatural because they never train their mouth to produce English sounds regularly. Shadowing fixes this by improving speaking rhythm and sentence flow naturally over time. The second technique is recall practice. After watching or listening to something in English, close the video and try to remember the main ideas without looking back. Then explain those ideas aloud in your own words. This forces your brain to retrieve information actively instead of depending on passive understanding. Recall practice is powerful because real conversations work the same way. During conversations, nobody gives you time to memorize sentences. Your brain must quickly remember words and form ideas naturally. Recall training prepares your brain for this process. Do not focus on speaking perfectly during these exercises. Focus on consistency and active usage. Even if your sentences are simple, your fluency will improve steadily. When shadowing and recall become part of your daily routine, your speaking becomes smoother, faster, and much more automatic over time. Master repetition without getting bored. One of the biggest secrets behind fast English fluency is smart repetition. Most learners constantly search for new videos, new grammar topics, and new vocabulary, thinking that more information will make them fluent faster. But fluency is not created by touching thousands of topics once. It is created by repeating useful English until your brain can use it automatically. This is exactly why many learners understand advanced English but still struggle to speak simple sentences confidently. Their brain has seen the information before, but it has not practiced it enough to make it natural. Repetition turns knowledge into automatic ability. The important thing is repeating correctly without making your practice boring. Instead of watching 10 different videos every day, take one useful video or audio clip and use it multiple times in different ways. First, listen carefully. Then shadow the speaker. After that, explain the ideas in your own words. Later, try recalling the main points again without looking at the content. This single process trains listening, speaking, memory, pronunciation, and sentence formation together. Another powerful method is spaced repetition. Do not repeat something only once in a single day and forget it forever. Review important words, phrases, and speaking patterns after 1 day, then after 3 days, and again after 1 week. This helps your brain store English in long-term memory instead of forgetting it quickly. Most importantly, stop expecting instant fluency. Many learners quit because they do not see dramatic improvement within a few weeks. But fluency develops like a muscle. Small daily practice creates powerful long-term results. If you consistently balance input and output, follow a daily speaking cycle, practice shadowing and recall, and use repetition correctly, your English will improve naturally. Over time, you will notice something amazing. You will stop translating from your native language, stop freezing during conversations, and start expressing your thoughts in English with far more confidence and comfort. English fluency is not something special people are born with. It is a skill built through the right daily system and consistent practice. The moment you stop treating English like a school subject and start using it every day, everything begins to change. Your brain slowly adapts to thinking, understanding, and speaking naturally without depending on translation from your native language. Some days will feel difficult, and progress may seem slow, but every small practice session is training your brain for real fluency. Stay consistent, trust the process, and keep showing up daily. One day, you will realize that speaking English no longer feels forced. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.